Didn't you sit on her again? Oh, the head plant. Don't look at me, Noosh. You're on your own. I was told you can handle it. We need to give this fight club a name. What would be a good fight club name for a dog fighting? Bear club. Bear club. How about bear cub? Bear cub. Bear cub. Where bear's the champion? Tired? What are you doing? Get back in there. Get back in there. Come on, Bear. You're better than this. Bear. Come on, Bear. Your name is Bear, for God's sake. She's got 3 legs. Come on. What's the matter with you? Oh, she wants more. Oh, what are you coming to me for? Don't look at me. That's it, Bear? You give up? That's your surrender position? Nooshin's the winner! No, oh.
Come on, Nooshin!
Oh, she's down. Oh, we got a yelp. Should we stop it? Mom, should we stop this fight? No. Should we call it? She's oh, no, she's back up.
Sorry, dries them all.
Come on, ladies, you gotta keep it clean here. You gotta remember I'm posting this. Don't make me edit this. Oh, the sit down! The belly flop from up top. Oh. The pin. Oh, wow. Oh, get on top. That's going for the count. 1, 2. Oh, she's down. No. Noosh, just sit on her. Oh, goes from behind. The behind attack.
I like the play-by-play.
Oh. Bear, she's 1, 2. Oh, no, she gets up after 2. Bear was doing that to herself.
No, I know, but you saw that Bear was hurting herself.
Just lie down, Noosh. It'll be over. I swear, if you lie down, she'll stop. Good girl. Oh, darn it.
You should wait till they do it. Tony, you should watch when they do it in her new bed.
Ah! She flipped you right over.
Back to the long way.
You're doing so good.
Good girl,
Oh, no,
Noosh.
wait, no, no.
Then come a long way.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the charge attack! Oh, the turnaround attack! Good agility there, Noosh. Oh, Noosh is all into it now. Time out for a sniff break. Oh, she comes back for more. Oh! Oh! Bear, I think, looks scared now. I think Noosh has won. Good job. Bear, you gotta learn. Man, you just got beat. She's gonna sit on you, Bear. We're told by the vets as long as there's no blood, we're okay. Nobody's yelping. It looks like they're just having a fun night. 2 girls on the town. I think you lost, Bear. Okay, Bear's double checking. Can I? Can I, Mom? Can I? Just sit. Oh, good girl, Noosh. Oh, the makeup kisses. Oh, no. Bear. Good girl. Noosh is the winner. Bear can try again tomorrow. Bear will probably try again in 5 minutes.
Yeah, good job, Bear. Yeah. I don't know what to do, but it's okay. She's playing on her own.
Good girl. Good job, you guys.
Oh, it's her bone.
It's your bone. Good job, you guys. Well fought. Good job, champ.